Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 85 Chevy Blazer. I would call it a custom because of the bumpers and the rhino liner. There you can see the hood's been done too, but a little bit of a paint mismatch. So custom grill or homemade grill, whatever you want to say. Custom headlights, tow hooks, come out of North Dakota. Pretty solid old Blazer. You can see typical rust in that inner piece right there. They all do it. Body's pretty good on it though, but I mean, you don't know what this can all cover up. You got a scratch here, a little bit of maybe mud cracking right there, something, or the rhino liner. Interior is in nice shape. Seats have been redone up front, so a little bit of material mismatch, about the same color, maybe a little darker as you can see. Headliner, dash is good. Door panel's missing the pulls. They put custom speakers down here. Got a custom console. So, I don't know what that is, but underneath missing the emblems on both sides. Custom bumper. Back all looks good there. Same thing this side, missing the emblem. A little bit of a crack right here. But kind of a pretty cool Blazer, definitely something different. You'll definitely know where you park it in the parking lot, that's for sure. So drives good. We're got a rough country lift on it, so we've got a little bit of a, I'd say 2-inch lift on it. So definitely a kind of a cool truck. 605-695-7391.